So everyone, this is Kiko Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video, ang Barda compilation. Ito na, agad-agad, atake tayo dito sa mga explanation na naman ni Ma'am Barda United. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
Just want to react to what Panhot posted today.
Reactor na pala ang ating Ma'am Barda United.
Technically, dapat di na natin siya pinapansin kasi nothing he says really makes sense or is relevant at the moment because of his lack of credibility. But just for the sake of
credibility, I love that.
Just for the sake of argument, natatawa lang ako dito sa kanyang pinost, di ba?
Bakit?
Sabi niya, Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco wins Anak TV. So, ang pangalan niya kasi is, ano na lang eh. Actually, binalik niya yung Barda. Dati, Barbie na lang eh.
Oh.
Siguro, hindi niya matiis na Barbie lang ang pangalan niya kasi hindi niya matira si D.
Ay,
so,
talaga
binalik
ba?
niya, di ba? Pero di ba, kasi dati, ang pangalan niya, J Barbie na lang. Pero, ang content niya, puro pa rin D. So, parang hindi siguro niya matiis na hindi i-content si D. Kasi talaga namang si D ang target niya. Huwag na tayo maglokohan, di ba? And he is just using Barbie in order to justify na pwede niyang tirahin si D, di ba? So, yan lang yon. Pero natatawa ako dahil dito.
Bakit? Sige,
diba?
ma'am.
Sinight niya si Barbie and David for winning the Anak TV Awards, di ba? Kung talagang fan siya, dapat, kung Barbie fan lang siya, dapat kinongratulate niya kahit paano si Barbie Fortesa. Di ba? Sabi niya, biruin mo, babatiin niya na nanalo sa Anak TV Media Awards, tapos ibabash niya rin nag-isnaban. So, hindi mo maintindihan to kung fan talaga o hindi.
Mami,
tapos, di ba, ang tanga ng tanong niya, bakit kaya iika-ika si Barbie sa awarding ceremony? Napilay ba siya? Hello, obvious ba? Hindi napilay nga, bakit iika-ika yan? Hindi napilay. Tatanungin mo pa kung napilay, ang tanga naman ng tanong na yun, di ba? I'm just saying. Hindi ko matis yung katangahan, di ba?
Ganun nga, ganun talaga.
Dati tinatawag niyo akong gago, engot, and everything. Mas engot ka eh. Sa totoo lang, natatawa lang ako dito sa isang, post na to. Di ba? Tapos marami pa siyang etchos na kesyo, antayin daw natin na magbabakasyon ng mga Licauco family to meet Alex. Do you think the Licauco family will take a vacation in Australia just for Alex? Excuse me, no. They will go to Australia to enjoy themselves as a family, di ba?
Exactly.
Why is Alex the central point of everything? No, she's not. The reason why every year ang mga Licauco po ay nagpupunta sa Australia during the holidays. Tradition nila yan. Diba? Tapos every January, February din, nagcha-Chinese New Year sila somewhere in Hong Kong or Macau. That's their family tradition. So, what makes you think the only reason they're going to Australia to spend the holiday is to be with Alex? Alex is not the, focal point of their life there. Diba? I mean, Jean is there. I think Jean is the more important reason to be in Australia and spend the holiday there, not Alex. Kung totoong importante si Alex sa buhay ng mga Licauco family, bakit po nung Chivas Regal, 10th year anniversary ni David, kung nandun man si Alex, di ba sabi niya nandun si Alex, bakit hindi umupo si Alex sa table ng family ni David? Kung talagang girlfriend siya at nandun siya. Bakit hindi siya umupo sa table ng family ni David at hindi siya nagbeso-beso man lang or nakihalubilo or nagbonding sa family ni David nung Chivas Regal party? Di ba po?
Andun ba talaga siya?
That was a very important occasion. And it was kind of family and friend or among friends and family only. So, kung totoong GF siya at totoong nandun siya, bakit wala siya sa table ng family?
Tsaka wala siya doon,
ma'am. At bakit
hindi
siya man lang nakitaan na nagbeso-beso sa mommy, daddy, at mga kapatid ni David?
True.
Kasi friends lang sila and business associates, and that's a fact. Even all their relatives will say that. David's auntie, who sits in the board of a Licauco corporation, said that they are only business associates.
True.
And Alex is helping David out in his Siargao Villa project. Kasi family friends sila eh. So, 'di ba? Eto na naman, ginagawa na naman ni Jay di Panot ng issue yung Alex
wala na kasi siyang maibalita,
and David.
Mami.
Bakit na ginagawa ulit yan? Dahil doon sa nakita nila ngayon, today, sa anak ng TV Awards, nakahanap po siya ng butas. Nakahanap siya ng rason para buhayin yung Alex David issue.
Diyos ko.
Dahil nga nagpakita ang Barda na hindi interact.
Yeah.
But you see, all these anti-Barda bloggers are basing their judgment and assessment or comments and reaction merely on what they see on camera. They never really base it on what's happening outside the camera or behind the
Gusto
camera.
kasi nila puro may ayuda na lang.
In private, di ba po?
Mas okay nga yan na magtaka tayo.
I find it hard to believe na kung iika-ika si Barbie, that David doesn't care. No. In fact, there's a footage of him very worried and
Ay, talaga? Hindi ko
parang
nakita
may
yan,
hinahanap siya. And the fact that Dayan brought Barbie to her car. And went back to get David, it only means one thing. Magkasama sila po or magkikita sila somewhere at a certain point. Meaning, because Dayan is their common denominator. Si Dayan po ang kanilang common denominator.
Yan din ang sinabi ko kanina sa reaction video ko actually.
So,
totoo lang.
I just really want to emphasize na very dumb. Sorry for the word but the way Panot presents his material is very dumb. Sorry, silent B. Very dumb because imagine, tatanungin pa niya, bakit ika-ika si Barbie sa awarding ceremony? Napilay ba siya? Hello? Of course. Siyempre, iika-ika ba yan kung hindi napilay? Ano yun, acting lang?
Tawang-tawa ako dyan.
Parang hindi nag-iisip eh. Tapos babatiin mo na nanalo sila sa award, tapos ibabash mo na nag-isnaban.
Tawang-tawa ako dyan, I swear.
What kind of fan is this? He's not a fan, he's just a basher.
Actually.
Just a troll. Really, people, if I were you, really. I'm sorry I featured him kaya lang, I'm just really posting this to sharpen our minds kasi nakakabobo yung mga ganitong klaseng post eh. 'Di ba? Pag mahina ang utak mo at saka yung loob mo, magiging mahinang nilalang ka talaga pag may mga ganitong post eh. Nakakagigil. Alam mo yun? Like yun, sasabihin niya, intayin natin, pupunta ang mga likaw ko sa Australia just to see Alex. Really? You think they will spend money just to see Alex? No. They will go there as a family to enjoy the holiday with Jean Licauco. Jean is the more important reason to go to Australia, not Alex. And why will Alex be the reason to go to Australia when the Licauco family every year goes to Australia?
Hindi ako nagsasalita kasi may magagalit.
And not because of Alex.
The viewers natin.
Diba si Alex, March lang naman yan pumasok. Yung pangalan niya. And it's not even confirmed. And plus which, diba, it's a tradition na every year, ang mga Licauco nasa Australia tuwing holiday. Diba po? Bakit naman magiging rason si Alex when she's not the girlfriend? Kasi kung totoong girlfriend siya, dapat nung she was party, 10th year anniversary ni David, dapat nakaupo siya doon sa family. Or nakipag-mingle-mingle, beso-beso siya with the family ni David. But we never saw that. Diba? Kung totoong nandun siya. Diba? Yun lang naman. Diba? Galit na naman ng lola nyo.
Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Galit na naman si Madam Barda United nyo. This is KJ Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!